Good morning, boys and girls, motorcycle fans. It's a crappy day here today, 55 degrees, chilly, cloudy, but I've got to go ride. And one of the reasons why I have to go ride is look at this. I don't know if you see what's new here, but look at these GV crash bars. Look at those. I think they're beautiful. I think they look so much better than I even hoped they would. And I had a dealer install them. I just didn't want to mess with motor mounts, and you had to get up inside here to release some bolts. It's just, let the professionals do it, you know. I also, while they were at it, I had them throw in a K&N air filter I bought. And interestingly, I said, hey, you want to throw on this K&N oil filter as well? And they told me that I'd be better off with the OEM oil filter than the K&N, which shocked me. They said that the OEM has some kind of pressure release that's calibrated to the bike, and that the K&Ns are just sort of generic. And they said I'd be better off with an OEM. So I got a couple K&N oil filters around here if you want to buy one. You can see I've got the orange reflective tape on those hand guards. That's going to make a huge difference for my visibility. Oh boy. No. There we go. Good timing. My first crash. Ay vey. All right. Yeesh. Oh, man. Good God, that's heavier than it looks. I can't believe it. I can't lift that. I should be able to do it. Yeah? to do it. I have to do it. I have to do it. I'm gonna do it. I've got it. I've got it. I've got it. I've got it. Why is it still so hard? Holy shit. Holy fuck. Oh my god. Jesus. Why is it so hard? Holy hell. Oh. God. That was painful. Oh. Oh, man. Whew. That's the limit of what I can do. Jeez. Louise. Boy. Unexpected. So that totally shocked me because you know, I've had much heavier bikes than this, much heavier, and I've picked them up. You know, I've picked up Harleys. But you know what I just figured out? The Harleys don't go down as far. They've got, you know, their frames and their bars and so forth. They stop that bike from tipping over all the way laying flat like this one was, plus being in loose sand. And good gravy, that was more excitement than I had bargained for. It took everything I have to stand that thing up. It was a shocker. So that's what I like to call a learning experience. I almost wonder if I gotta go buy a winch or something for this thing to pull it out of situations like that. Oh, this sand is just deadly. Anyway, thanks for watching. Bye for now.